Here is our air rocket, and in this video what I want to do is make the stuffing that goes in the nose cone. It's so important that I want it to have a separate part. If I turn off visibility of the nose cone, you'll see that it's basically just another cone that's solid that's inside the nose cone itself. So again, the big idea is we're going to use existing geometry to create this rather than create it from some set of drawings in a separate part studio. So let's go back to the one we're constructing. And I'm going to make it in a similar way as the nose cone by first placing a sketch coincident on the front plane. So I'll click here, and that sketch plane, if I look from the top, it's going infinitely far through our cone, and so we can sketch there. So I'm going to press N so I'm normal to my sketch plane. And I don't really need my body tube or the pressure cap, and I just want to have this here. What I want to do is now I want to see inside this cone somehow. How can I do that? Well, if I come along here to this drop down and do section view, it'll allow me to pick a plane, and I'm going to pick the front plane. And what that does is it chops it in half, and now I'm seeing right in the center of the cone, so I can now see what I'm doing. And again, I'm going to make this with a using the use command for that line right there, the interior of the cone, and then I think I can just project that line on there, and if I turn this off, yep, it projected it onto my sketch plane. So what I need, I guess, I don't need to see that anymore, the nose cone itself. I've used the geometry, although that looks a little weird, but it may be useful to have it on there so to remind me what I need to do next, which is take a line from here until it pops coincident like that, and bring it down to the center here. So I'll click there, press escape. Now I'll turn off the nose cone, and I've got a triangle that I can revolve. This is blue, and it just wants to have a dimension. It's not enough to have it coincident with the interior of the cone. It wants to have an actual dimension to be fully constrained, so now it's all black, so we're in good shape. So let's use the revolve tool, and the axis is here, and it's on new up here, so I'll take that. You can see we're still in section view, so I'll come down here and turn that off, and we have our stuffing here. So let's call that nose cone stuffing. So right click, rename nose cone stuffing. And there it is. And the full project in its entirety is, I can just turn it on, everything, and build it right up. And we're moving right along. And that is the nose cone stuffing. In the next video, we'll work on the fins. Thanks for watching.